Stop dreading algebra. Let AI make it a breeze. Here's how. Welcome to the world of AI tutors, where we turn algebra headaches into math miracles. Today we're diving into the top 10 AI math tutors that'll make you an algebra whiz in no time. First up, we have Mathway. This app offers step-by-step solutions for every problem, making it perfect for visual learners. Next on our list is Photomath. Just snap a pic of your math problem and watch as it magically solves it for you. But wait, there's more. MathGPT is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. It provides detailed explanations and practice problems tailored just for you. Now let's talk about Julius AI. With its interactive exercises, you'll conquer algebra concepts like a pro. And don't forget about Wolfram Alpha. Known for its powerful computational engine, it's like having a math genius in your pocket. Feeling excited yet? Let's keep going. Mathly is another awesome choice, offering gamified learning to make algebra fun and engaging. If you're looking for personalized learning plans, StudyMonkey has got you covered. It adapts to your learning pace and helps you master tough topics. Need instant solutions? Check out Mathos. Its AI tutor gives you quick and accurate answers, boosting your math confidence. And finally, we can't forget about the variety of AI math tutors available. They specialize in making algebra feel like a walk in the park. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your favorite AI math tutor platform and unlock your math genius today. Thank you for watching AI Tech Beat. Check the description for a comprehensive article. If you found value, please like, share, and subscribe.